In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Canva subscription and what you need to know to get a full refund. First, open your browser and go to the Canva website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one email. Refunds and cancellations only apply to the account where the subscription is active, so double-check that you're in the right workspace. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select the option that takes you to your account or billing settings. This is where Canva keeps all of your subscription and payment information. In your account settings, find the section labeled Billing and Plans or Subscriptions. Here you'll see what type of plan you're currently on, such as Canva Pro or a team plan, and when your next payment is due. Take a moment to note that renewal date, because refunds are usually tied to when you were last charged. Now, look for the button or link that says something like Cancel Plan or Cancel Subscription. Click that, and Canva will walk you through a short cancellation flow. You may be asked why you're canceling. Choose the reason that fits best for you. Then continue. Read any messages on the screen carefully, because Canva will usually tell you exactly how long you'll retain access to premium features after canceling. When it comes to getting a full refund, timing is the key. Most of the time, you need to request a refund shortly after you've been charged, and only if you're within Canva's refund window, which can vary by region and platform. If you subscribe through Canva's website, look for any mention of a trial period or refund policy in the confirmation email or in the billing section. If you subscribed through a mobile app store, such as on your phone or tablet, refunds are usually handled by that app store, not directly by Canva, so you'll need to follow their refund process. After you cancel, confirm that your plan status shows as canceled or set to end on a specific date. It's a good idea to take a quick screenshot of this page for your records. Finally, check your email for a confirmation message about your cancellation. And if you requested a refund, keep an eye on that same email and your payment method for updates. Once everything looks correct, you're all set. Your Canva subscription is canceled, and you've taken the right steps towards securing a full refund where eligible.